This makes it an absolutely fantastic car for daily commuting on less than perfect city streets, or for long-distance highway cruising. If your priority is to be isolated from the harshness of the road, this car is arguably one of the best out there regardless of price. Of course, this focus on softness means that the C4X is not a car you want to push hard through corners. There is a noticeable amount of body roll when you take a turn with any kind of enthusiasm. The steering is light and lacks the sharp feedback you'd find in a more performance-oriented vehicle. This isn't a criticism, but rather an observation of its character. This car encourages a calm, measured driving style. It rewards you for driving smoothly, not for trying to set a new lap record on your way to the grocery store. It's a car that lowers your stress levels rather than raising your heart rate. Being the fully electric C4X version, the driving experience is also incredibly quiet and refined, creating a truly tranquil environment that makes it feel like a sanctuary on wheels. The Citroën C4X I'm driving today is powered by a 50 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which is a familiar unit across many Stellantis vehicles. This battery provides an official WLTP range of around 360 kilometers, or about 224 miles. In real-world driving, expect that to be a bit lower, especially in colder weather or during sustained highway driving. Still, it's perfectly adequate for most daily commutes and for some longer journeys with planning. The motor makes 136 horsepower, but instant torque makes the car feel zippy off the line. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, or 0 to 62 miles per hour, takes around 9.5 seconds. Not a drag strip car, but quick enough for merging onto highways and for city traffic. Charging supports up to 100 kilowatts fast charging. At a compatible DC fast charger, you can go from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. That's usually enough time to grab a coffee and stretch your legs on longer trips. For home charging, a standard 7.4 kilowatt wall box will fully charge overnight. One important point, Stellantis is rolling out an upgraded powertrain, a slightly larger 54 kilowatt-hour battery, plus a more efficient, more powerful 156 horsepower motor. That should push official range to over 400 kilometers, or around 250 miles. The update is expected in the near future, possibly within a year, which creates a dilemma for buyers today.